Alright guys, welcome back to the sawmill. I'm changing it up today, friends. Came in from that direction. I was going to change things up and throw everybody off. I usually come in from this side, but I was actually down there trying to get the cats out of the room. I was going to shut that garage door and there's like 4 cats in there. Follow me everywhere just like dogs. Got a lot going on today, guys. I am finished with the cleanup up here at the sawmill. I got 2 more things to do. I'll show you guys that here in just a second, but I got to hire those out because my grinder just won't cut it, guys. I need a bigger grinder, so my buddy's got a welding business. So come over here and help us out on that. So we're going to finish setting up the sawmill. We're going to put the outriggers down, put the loading arms down. This thing right now is set up for transport, which I never do here at the sawmill, guys. I'm not a portable sawmill. Even though mine is portable, it stays put. I don't like moving it around and stuff like that. It's too much of a pain getting it in this building. This building is 20 by, I think, about 70. And I had to use a bobcat just to get it in here. So we're going to finish setting up the sawmill, then we're going to jump in the tractor and do something different today, guys. We're going to till up the garden. Gotta get that garden ready for planting. Usually I would have it tilled up before now, but due to all the rain we've had in the past month, it's been too wet. I think today's going to be a good day. It's been dry for about a week, and we're going to be dry, it looks like, till maybe Friday. So we'll hook up the tiller on the TYM and make a few passes in the garden. Then we'll come back up here to the sawmill. We may saw up some pine. I don't know. It depends on what time it is. Got a lot going on today. And we got Tony coming over tomorrow from Tony's Tractors Adventure YouTube channel. I'll leave a link down below to his channel. Go check it out if you have time. He's heading up here tomorrow. I think he might come in late tonight. He's going to help us put on the backhoe tomorrow. So a lot of stuff going on this week, guys. Hang in there with me and you might learn something. I might learn something too. You never know. And another thing, I get asked all the time what kind of coffee I drink. I drink Black Rifle coffee and they have a ton of different flavors and I like all of them. It's good stuff. If I don't have Black Rifle coffee, it looks like it's Folgers or whatever's on sale at the grocery store. So, good stuff. You gotta make that noise when you drink it too, though. You gotta make that noise that makes it taste better. That's what they say. Well guys, we need to put these loading arms down first, but it looks like we have something hiding under the sawmill. What are you doing? Come here. Get good, get dirt. Alright guys, let's move the head up out of the way and bring it back, and we will energize the hydraulics so we can lower the loading arms down. Alright guys, what you're looking at are the fine adjustment outriggers. And let me tell you, this is about a $900 upgrade, maybe more now. That's what it was about 2 years ago when I bought this sawmill. But guys, if you can afford it and you're getting a mobile sawmill with a trailer under it, I would advise you to pay extra for these. The standard ones that come with the sawmill, they're okay, but they are very aggravating, guys. These are nice, they're worth every penny. I wish Wood-Mizer would just put these on all the sawmills, but I guess there's a reason behind that. And if you got one of these, a torque wrench, like I just bought at Home Depot the other day, it makes it go a lot faster. It comes with a tool, but that's kind of slow compared to this. Hold your ears, guys. This might be a little bit loud. Man, that's faster. So anyways, friends, pay the extra money if you can afford it. That right there is nice, especially for you guys that are doing mobile sawmilling and you're breaking your sawmill down every day. This will greatly decrease the time it takes you to break down and set up your sawmill. Worth every penny. Before I get too far ahead, I better throw a level on it. Now on these sawmills, you don't have to get them perfectly level. You want to get them as close as you can, but if they're off just a little, it's okay. I'll tell you what guys, I'm good, it's already level. I can eyeball this thing and get it level. I'm just kidding. Just got lucky on that first one there, but just want to check it that way on a few different bumps and this way as well. And man, it's right on the money right there. We're good to go, guys. And in that last video, I got a lot of questions about that vehicle dolly, what I used it for. Right there, guys, that makes it easier to move the sawmill as long as you're on a concrete pad. Wouldn't work too well if you're on dirt. Alright guys, I want to explain something here real fast. I get this question sometimes here on the channel. The hydraulics for the sawmill are right in here. The pump is in there, and your filter and all that good stuff. And right here below it, you see that little copper rail right there? That's the energizer that you put power on that powers the hydraulics. But the battery is on the sawmill carriage. So the sawmill must be brought back to this point. There's a little contact right there where it touches that strip, and that is what energizes the hydraulics. You can't run the hydraulics with the sawmill on that end. It has to be brought back here to touch that pad in order to get these running right here. So let's jump in the tractor, guys. I need to bring over those Oats sleepers. I got 2 wide Oats. They're 6x6s. They're about 10 feet long. I throw those over here on the loading arms side of the sawmill. That's what we use to roll the timber in on the mill with. And then we'll get back in the tractor after lunch and hook up the tiller. I think the garden should be ready. We may have to get on the lawnmower and mow the perimeter down. It might be a little bit high, but we should be in good shape on the garden. Looking forward to this, guys. I've not ran that tiller in almost a year. Hang in there with me.
I need time to think it over while I finish up this game. Proposition makes me remember last time I got back on my feet.
Alright friends, wait a minute. What in the world are you doing up there? You're just dying to get hurt, aren't you? Here's what's going on, friends. We got the tiller hooked up. This is made by Titan Attachments right here. It's a really good tiller. This is my 2nd season using it. Really good tiller. Nothing bad to say about it at all, guys. Got it hooked up back here to the PTO. Everything's good to go. And I went ahead and made a few test cuts here before I turned the cameras on. I've never ran the PTO on that tractor. It looks pretty good. If you're new to this channel, guys, this right here used to be an organic garden full of nothing but rabbit manure. And that was about 2 years ago from the guy we bought the farm from. And this stuff is just the finest and the richest soil I've ever seen. You don't have to plow it. The tiller does all the work, guys. It looks like my rows are overgrown right here, but the tiller would just sink right down into it. No sense in plowing it. Still kind of wet up here, but we've not had that many dry days, and I wanted to knock this down. And I'll probably come back up here in a few weeks because we've got some frost coming and till it up one more time. Last year when I put out the onions, I'm assuming I missed some or they didn't germinate till the winter. I don't know what happened here. But there's about 3 handfuls of these green onions right here, guys. Good stuff. Looks like harvest is starting early this year. Can't beat it, guys. Wish y'all could smell that. Man, it smells good. Stick here with me, guys. Let's go jump in the TYM and get this thing tilled up. So now it's the end of the day and I have one more thing left to do. I think I'm late.